Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Hi. So today is not a usual vlog or usual video. You can see and you know by the title that we are leaving Stockholm. So my house is in total mess. We are trying to pack everything up, and so we'll just I thought of sharing this news with you all because you people are part of my life also. So I have this responsibility of at least informing you guys what is happening in my life right now. So we have to move from Stockholm to Gothenburg. It takes in express train it takes almost 4 hours from Stockholm to Gothenburg, and yes, and you would be probably knowing I have lot of relatives here. All my relatives from my mom's side, and my cousins, my own cousins, my own aunt and uncle, everybody is here. Okay, so but we have to go to Gothenburg because Devchit got job there. So a new opportunity, a new beginning. So we are all it's not easy because of course I have lived here and it was very comfortable, and you never feel good to leave the place where you are comfortable, right? So that's the challenge. So this is a new challenge, a new place altogether. We don't know anybody in Gothenburg. We don't have any relative over there. Yeah, so it is tough, but we can't help it also. For betterment, for Devjit's betterment now, since he is working now, so of course we give priority to his choices. Just pack our things, and I thought of like little bit of sharing things with you guys also, if you people pack or if you people are shifting. So the first thing I would say, keep the boxes ready. I mean for example, like for example, if you have box of glasses, so try to keep the boxes, don't throw it away right after, I mean taking out, if you know that you have to shift. We knew that we will shift some or the other day, that's why we kept the boxes. So this helped us a lot, now it is helping us. So I'm keeping everything in the boxes only. So that's the one thing I would say right now, that don't throw away the boxes. We have bought the boxes, we get boxes over here, we have to make it, and we bought this bubble wraps also, so it helps. Like we have already packed some the photo frames in this way, and we'll some more also I'm packing for my visit to India also. So it's a blend, it's like two types of packing at the same time. We are packing for a big shifting also, we are packing for visiting India also. So it's a mess everywhere. So let's pack together. So we are done packing. Today the guys will be coming to, the movers and packers will be coming and collecting the boxes and everything, and yeah, that's it. So look at these. I have some more in the kitchen as well. So now these are all ready to go to Gothenburg, and we are not yet ready. We'll go to Gothenburg once we are back from India. So that's it. And yeah, new life, new start, new experience, and more explorations, and new struggles maybe. This is the last vlog or video from this house. It's quite emotional for me because I started off with my YouTube journey from this house, so it is special for me. And we had lovely time living in this apartment. This is very beautiful. Our landlord was very helpful and very good, very kind person, both of them. So yeah, I am quite emotional leaving this apartment, but can't help. So life is like this as of now. So stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.